There's a possible wrinkle in the case against former APD officer VonTrey Clark.
Clark is one of two men charged in the death of Samantha Dean, who was pregnant. He's pleaded not guilty in her February 2015 killing. Today, his attorney filed a motion to quash the grand jury indictment. What does this all mean? Well, KXAN investigator Robert Maxwell is here live with more.
Well, what it means is when a pretrial hearing that was set for today resumes March 9th, this new motion could be front and center as Clark's attorney works to have the capital murder charge against his client thrown out. The motion contends this: when the grand jury heard testimony in July from investigators working the case, there was no court reporter present. In other words, their testimony was never recorded, and essentially, the motion argues, off the record. Now, that's important to the defense, since a transcript of that grand jury testimony can be used at trial to see if a witness changes his or her story during cross-examination. Clark's attorney, Bristol Myers, argued this. His statement includes, "Forever lost are any of these law enforcement officers' possible misstatements, false statements, and inability to recollect facts." Myers won't comment publicly on the motion since the main players are under a court-imposed gag order. One attorney here in Travis County points out, though, the motion could be dismissed since there's nothing in the state criminal code of procedure stating a grand jury has to be recorded. What you're looking at now, today's hearing reset, ended with a surprise. Before we learned about the new motion to quash, a prosecutor rushed members of murder victim Samantha Dean's family, who were already seated in the courtroom, to an upstairs conference room. Now, it's not known what they talked about. And again, the next step in all this pretrial phase happens March 9th, and I'll be there. Robert?